Hey, I'm looking for an affordable vehicle because right now I don't have a whole lot of money and I need a vehicle. Do you have something for me?
Well, I'll tell you that that's the story of a lot of people right now. People want something that's dependable, plenty of room for the family, and they want to be able to get to and from work, but they don't want to break the bank doing it. Now, I'm going to tell you, Toyota, again, I've got a Camry here. This one's a little bit bigger than the Corolla, a little more room. This vehicle here is 4 doors, automatic, 4-cylinder, and there's room for 5 people inside. It's a little more spacious than your typical Corolla, but I'll tell you that it still doesn't lack in options. You've got power seats, tilt, cruise, power windows. You've got the big screen. It also has the rear camera, plenty of room in the back. Now, what we've done here at Edom Body Shop, we've decided that we probably need to go ahead and get the new set of tires for the next owner, so you won't have to worry about that. That's all the way around. This is ready to go. With plenty of room in the trunk, there's plenty of room for everybody to put their stuff. Backpacks, groceries, whatever you need. Now, this is the SE package, and I'm gonna tell you that this vehicle's only $89.95 right now. So it definitely fits in that, you know, I don't wanna break the bank, but I need something to get to and from work. Now, what you may see, I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but it kind of sprinkled here earlier. But before we deliver any car, it'll be nice and clean. We'll wash it for you, have it ready to go. So come see us down here at Edom Body Shop, and you can always check us out online, edomautosales.com, where you get the Carfax and you can look at all the pictures for any of these vehicles we're showing you today.